Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. I am just doing a recap on what I have left over from my first week of Kit Conspiracy. These are my leftovers. Okay, so I've got quite a bit still left on the sticker sheet, which is great because I still have a few pieces of paper left. I think I did 6 layouts. 5 or 6. And what I have left is really just what I consider solids, because those read as solid. Now you could of course use the gingham side, but that's all I have in full sheets. I have a partial 3x4 which has these tickets on the back. I have a partial of the 4x4s which has the floral on the back. I have half of a yellow sheet, which is gingham on the back. And I guess the 4x4 is actually the 4x4 and 2x2s. So I still have a little bit of that. And then a little bit of the journaling elements. Not very much. So that's it for the paper of these journaling elements also. So not very much in the way of full sheets. I would probably pair some of those up with some other papers. As far as the foam stickers, this is what I have left. I did use quite a few of them. That's all I've got left of the rub-ons. The rest are gone. It was 2 sheets. This is another journaling element. And then as far as the floral bits and the bits and pieces, I don't have all that much left. This is really it. These were actually 2x2s that I cut up, so I'm not counting those. I do have some yellow. I did not use any of the words out of here. I used the foam ones and I used one off the sticker sheet. But those will go really nice together on a layout. There's a couple butterflies. Lovely. The teacups, the peas, which I said I probably wouldn't use. I have all the bees left over. If anybody's a bee fan, let me know. Happy to mail them to you. A nest. Fresh, butterfly, another teacup, flower market, and hello, a few hearts, and then the tag that says grow, a couple more butterflies, hearts, butterflies, and bees, and a little spade, which I knew I wouldn't use either because I'm not doing anything that's garden related. That is it. So I'm going to stick those back in. I'll probably just put them all in one package and go from there. And I'm excited to get started on the next week, which is wherever. So 49 in markets wherever. That is what we're doing next. See you soon. Bye-bye.